Need to send messages on Pinterest? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily send messages on Pinterest. Start by heading over to your application Pinterest. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now you need to tap on this message icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. And then head over to Messages at the top. Well, you will be landing on this page. Tap on New Message. Search the username of the person that you want to message, and then click on it. Once you have clicked on it, tap on Next. It will open up the conversation inbox. Type in the message that you want to send to this person. Once you have typed in, click on Send, and the message will be sent to this person. And then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can send messages on Pinterest. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.